Well, I call them up Dub Deuces on the caddy. If you niggas don't know, I be tilting like your daddy. But man, hold up. This after the truck. These niggas trying to come up and then I pull that pump like, man, who that boy in my city? These niggas don't talk down cause I get gritty. I pull a tag 9 and hit you in your fucking face. I don't give a motherfucker cause them blocks all erase. Man, I'm so dope. I go hard, nigga. You niggas don't want to fuck with me because I stain niggas on the fucking carpet. When I calm down, you don't want to fuck with D Jizzle because, man, it's going down.
Hey, go ahead and get thrown as I'm fucking niggas straight down the motherfucking commode. And I'm steady blasting on hoes. I'm steady doing my thing. Steady running over field, trying to mean the clean. Mr. Clean, I'm mop you up, nigga. I'm falling like dust. Show these bitches what it was. Niggas know my cuss. If you want to fuck with me, nigga, I take you like dust. Flip you over something real, nigga, that's kinda disgust. Hey, I'm the true nigga, reppin' the real game. I show these bitches what it was, I put the ass, they coming on the shit. Yes, I'm trying to maintain, and as I'm hitting up the capital, my pockets gon' change. Like I'm flipping them quarters, you niggas flipping them pennies. Steady coming over, bitch, you niggas out there trying to win it. Yes, I'm stepping over you and coming for that on side. Yes, sir, nigga, cause I'm through you niggas fucking real nice. I hate to tell you how I'm brag, take to tell you the man. As I'm staying fucking glad you pussies on your rag. I do this shit for real. Yes, let me get killed. Teasy for sheezy, but lady, how you doing, baby?